Hey guys, so your headlights look a little hazy, right? Like this here. You can tell, oh, here comes the sun, so that's going to make things even more interesting to see. You can see they look dirty, and I can assure you they're not. And if you're looking at this video, you know what I'm talking about, because you probably have the same issue. So what we're going to do here is we're going to try to buff this out and get this right back to a new clear, transparent, non-hazy look. And what the issue is basically the sun, the UV rays, they start to hit these plastics and start to slowly decompose them. And so what we're going to do is bring them back to life using nothing more than Mother's Mag and aluminum polish and a foam pad attached to a drill. You can also use a buffer if you got one. It's going to take you, I swear, not even 5 minutes per sides, 10 minutes at the most per sides. Nice and easy. And remember, you always want to follow up with a good quality wax. So we will start off with masking the area, protecting this here, and we'll be back in 3, 2. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just apply this, a couple of dabs like this. You don't need that much, too much. Oh, look inside, there's even a spider's web. You can also fix the inside. You gotta take it out, remove it, and use some methyl hydrate, 99.9% if you can find it. The highest percentage will help you with by not leaving out any streaks. But today we're gonna work on the outside of this. So got that dabbed out. I'm gonna put my pad on. And I'm just going to spread this around a little bit, like that. Make sure we got a good coverage, even coverage. We don't want too much on one side. And then I'm just going to start with the drill. You don't stay in one spot for too long. You just keep going back and forth like this. And overlap your last pass, about 50% of it. And you can see, that's the reason why you just want to put some masking tape. You just don't want this flying all over the place, so. A little hard to control the drill sometimes, but that's okay. Next step is just go up and down. And you're going to do this a couple of times. Make sure that the polish is all nice. Spread out. Going to move a little bit of excess on my pants, work pants, and you can see at this point, the more you polish it, the more it's coming out clear. There we go. So, all you do at this point, let it haze up, wait a couple of minutes, and let it haze up, come back with a microcloth, and wipe it off. So let's give it a couple of minutes. Okay, so we're back, it's hazed up. I'm just going to polish it off with a microfiber cloth. Have a look. Yeah, oh boy, talk about what a difference. What a difference. That's almost like night and day. Now, this is good, but I want this even better. So I am going to repeat this a second time. Because I can see a couple of spots that were just way too hazy. Now, little trick, if you got some cobwebs in there, what you can do is just remove one of the headlight bulbs and get a pipe cleaner. You remember those pipe cleaners we used to use as a kid there? It's all got this fuzzy material around it, and you can just wipe that in there, or blow a little bit of air, compressed air if you got a compressor with the gun. But I'm going to do this process all over again, and we'll come back and we'll do the waxing. Okay, so I am very happy with the results with this. This is about as good as it's going to be able to get. And so the next step is I'm just going to take a little bit of Mother's. This is the one I'm using here. You can use any one you want, but I'm using the Mother's Pure Brazilian Carnauba. This stuff. Okay, so give that a try. I've been using this for years on my cars, and it really works extremely well. So we're just going to spread this around, come back, rub it in. Same thing here with your wax, is just go round in circles, overlap, so that you don't miss any areas. What the wax will do is protect this against this happening. Well, it's not going to stop it from happening. It'll still happen again, but it'll slow down the process. Especially if you do this once a year, when you wax your car, wax your headlights. It's a great protection. So we'll let that sit there for a little bit. We'll just come back up, wipe it off, and for video purpose, I'm just going to take it off now. It's a hot and sunny day here, so I'm just going to polish this guy off. Wow, that looks great. I tell you, all except for that cobweb that's driving me crazy here. So I'm gonna go get exactly what I told you guys to try and get rid of that, because there's a lot of that. Jeez, have a look. So take a look now at the before and after. Okay, you can see much clearer, much cleaner. And there is that cobweb. Holy cow. How'd that guy get in there? I don't know. But anyways, so there's the before, there's the after. And give this thing a shot. It really works. If your headlights are really crusted, and I mean to the point where some of it is actually flaking off and you can't even see the headlights anymore, that's a more severe case. I have another video on that, and I'm using a 3M. It's actually sanding, so you're actually sanding down with the 3M system with very fine sandpaper. Again, attached to your drill. Works fantastic, and it'll clean that out exactly to the same finish as this. So I'll try to put the link up on the right hand corner there somewhere for the 3M heavy duty cleaner. Okay guys, hope this helps. Have yourself a great day.